Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to put on your Jamberry nail sample for your 7-day challenge. First of all, you'll need your nail scissors, your nail file and a hairdryer. Grab your sample, place it over your nails to see which nail it fits correctly. Be sure to leave a gap at either side. Once you've found the nail that it fits correctly, cut your strip in half. This strip is one that I've already cut in half, as I've already placed the other half on this nail. Remove your nail carefully from your strip, ensuring not to put your skin against it, as this may leave the adhesive a little bit soft. Place on your nail at the edge and press down hard. Then turn on your hairdryer. Heat for 5 seconds. Press the nail down the middle and down the sides. Like so. Then reheat. And reapply pressure down the edges. Like so. Once you're happy with your edges and there's no bumps or lumps that you can see, you can either cut your excess off, like so, and then pull around the edge, like what? And reheat. Reapply a little bit of pressure all around, making sure you've got a tight seal. Leave a few seconds to cool. Grab your nail file and file downwards to remove any excess. And there you go. Remember to paint the rest of your nails using your favourite nail varnish. Take a picture on day 1, take a picture on day 7, and show me the results. Have fun!